equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin diagnosing your HP14S-DQ, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open the laptop and inspect its components without causing damage. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards while you work. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws and set them aside in a safe place. Remember, keeping track of your screws is essential for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you'll have access to the internal components of your laptop. Now, visually inspect the motherboard and the screen connections. Look for any signs of damage, such as burnt components or loose cables. If you notice any disconnections, reseat the cables firmly. This could resolve the issue if it's merely a loose connection. If the connections appear intact, it's time to check the screen. You can do this by connecting your laptop to an external monitor. If the external display works fine, the issue likely lies with the laptop screen. However, if the external monitor shows the same problems, the motherboard may be at fault. During this process, if you feel overwhelmed or unsure, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can help pinpoint the issue without any pressure to commit to repairs. Next, let's clean the internal components. Dust accumulation can cause overheating and other issues. Use a can of compressed air to gently blow out any dust from the motherboard and fans. Be cautious not to touch any components directly, as static electricity can cause damage. Wearing an anti-static wrist strap can help mitigate this risk. After cleaning, reassemble your laptop by reversing the steps taken to open it. Ensure all screws are securely fastened and the back panel is properly clipped in place. If you've determined that the screen is faulty, consider reaching out for a quote before repair. This way, you'll know the costs involved before proceeding. If you're not comfortable performing these steps, don't hesitate to contact us. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your laptop issues. Finally, once your laptop is reassembled, power it on and check if the issue persists. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You've successfully diagnosed your HP14S-DQ. If not, it may be time to consult a professional for further assistance. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.